Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to vlog and I'm trying to do a week in my life kind of a video because I feel like this week will be very there'll be a little excitement. That's what I feel. So yeah, today is the 31st of March. So I'm trying to vlog throughout the day, throughout the week. It's a Wednesday, so I'm gonna try vlogging till the next Wednesday. So yeah, that's what it is. So now apparently it's 3 o'clock and I am at my mom's place. I'm picking her up and her friends so that we can go out for a little saree shopping. My mom's bored in the house, so she wants to go out for shopping. So that's what it is. I'll try taking you guys around, but I'm the one who's driving, so it's gonna be a little difficult because you know, I have to keep driving as well as do the vlogging, so it's a little difficult, but I'll try doing that. Yeah, so I don't usually do the vlogs because personally my life is so unorganized that you never know. There'll be some time or some point wherein there'll be something that will be happening. You have no idea, so it's very unorganized. So yeah, that's why I don't tend to do. But there's something very exciting coming this weekend. I'm not sure if I can tell you guys. I have to ask my dad on that. But yeah, so stay tuned. And I did this beautiful makeup. I'll try showing you guys a close-up. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I did a very I want to say burnt orange kind of a smoky eye situation, and I love this lip. Oh my god, Miss Claire's lipsticks are amazing. So yeah, it's exactly 3 o'clock, so I'm waiting for my mom to come down and then we will go and be on our way. When I'm driving, I kind of like to have these bulky sunglasses because I don't like the lights or even the overall sunlight to kind of hit me over here also. When I'm in the passenger seat, I like sitting very pretty and all of that with all those fancy sunglasses. But when I'm driving, these bulky sunglasses, I don't even know these. I think my sister-in-law gave me these. She gifted me these like before marriage or something. But yeah, these are the ones that I wear when I'm driving because I don't like the lights coming onto my eyes because I tend to do this and that kind of hurts me. So let me try them on. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It doesn't look that good. It doesn't frame my face and all of that. But these are the sunglasses I like when I drive because they kind of give a little cooling effect on my face. I don't like those fancy sunglasses that don't cover anything because while driving you have to concentrate so much. So yeah, this is what it is. Hi guys, so we're right here where we usually shop for sarees. So basically my mom's sarees and all the older auntie kind of sarees, like mom kind of sarees, we buy at one auntie's place. And yeah, we're right here. This is how her garden is. I really love coming here and hanging out in the garden where my mom does the shopping. I love how pretty it looks. It's so beautiful, it's so pretty. Yeah, so my mom and her friends are doing the shopping there.
Right, your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
Hi guys, I am back after like 3 hours I want to say, and not even 3 hours. I think I went around 3 o'clock. Yeah, it's already 6:30. So yeah, I'm back and I'm sitting down to edit. It's exactly 7. I'm sitting down to edit and I want to edit the K-Beauty foundation review. I hopefully think that this vlog will come after the video, so if you guys have not checked it out, I'll leave it in the card somewhere, so check it out. You guys will love it. Alright you guys, I am done with editing the video. It's about 8:25 and it took me an hour and a half to do this video, to edit this video. It's the review video, so check it out if you guys have not. I'll leave it in the cards again. So it's almost time for dinner. I have to go prepare dinner and I'm making upma. So if people don't know me, I love upma, and I'm such a South Indian at heart that there's not a day in my life that I never ate rice till today. So I love it. And yep, I'm gonna prepare a upma is ready, and so is the tea.
Hi guys, a good morning. It's the April 1st and it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm so tired. I got up to do my work. So like you guys know, I have a corporate office job as well, a 9 to 5 job that actually starts at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead, do my job, and I'm gonna talk to you guys right after my shift is done. So yeah, I'll see you guys in right after my shift is. I'm so exhausted. I'm not even understanding what I'm talking, but yeah, I'll see you guys once my office work is done.
Later.
Hi you guys, I just sat down. It's almost 4 o'clock and I just sat down to film. That's my filming mess before, ignore that. But I did this beautiful smoky, the dirty yellow kind of an eye, and it matches with my dress as well. It's such a pretty dress and I love it, and I'm out of breath because I did a bunch of reels. So yeah, that is what it is. I really love this makeup. There's only one light right in front of me. I did not put any ring lights, it's just softbox. I love it, I love the makeup, and this is the dress. This is actually my birthday dress. I will leave the picture on the screen so that you guys can see. But yes, I'm doing a bunch of reels and
Tomorrow.
Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there?
hi guys, I couldn't show you guys the outfit today, so I just want to like quickly show you guys. This is what I wore. This is like a long maxi kind of a dress. It's like not like full length with some kind of a length. I don't know what it is. I think I got it from Cooves or something if I'm not wrong. It's a very plain dress, there's nothing, and it says hot on the sides. And yeah, this is my makeup. I'm showing you guys a close up of my makeup. It's a love of beautiful turned out. And yeah, I put up a bun. This is how I went out for shopping also. So yeah.
Tomorrow for sure.
Hi guys, so I'm going out to my mom's place for dinner or for lunch, and I was trying out another foundation, so that's what I have on my face.
Eventually.
Alright guys, it's Sunday and it's around 7 o'clock, so I am going to go edit this vlog and put it up on either Monday or Tuesday. I'm going to try do my level best. So I'm excited. It's been a really chill week in my life. I did not want to film a week wherein there's so much going on in my life because I wanted to see how you guys respond. And if you guys like this kind of videos, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notifications so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And if you want to see more vlogs like this, that's something that happens in my life, please do let me know. And I'll surely vlog it for you guys. I love vlogging. It's super easy and I like this kind of a natural kind of vlog. So let me know and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy